The KHDC has welcomed the suggestion of Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma that there should be engagement between the Autonomous District Councils, Law Department and District Council's Affairs Department on the bills of the Council starting from the drafting stage. Speaking to reporters, KHDC Deputy Chief Executive Member Syiem and Syiem said the Chief Minister has made an important suggestion since the bills prepared by the Council need to be rectified repeatedly after being passed. If they can have a discussion during the drafting stage, then this problem would not arise. Meanwhile, Syiem said that 4 bills of the Council are currently being examined by the Governor.
Baros kata kadon ka expert committee kebanyakan hadin bangapa se kapil. Nikanik idea wat mai mentang kalong pa shwa during drafting stage. Kadon pa kajing keduk lang jong ka DCA kalau department bat ni. Kenang bah bang pas house kam su kata-kata kenang bahkan suk bahkan man arsin license sausi ni kedu. Kata lu ada good idea ke bushi Mr. Wanra. Ngatai badan ni sekarang itu pending bills su. Laong ba nakaleng ka DCA kalau department kat balakin penemploy ban page kadon ki jinduna pa biang syangi kenang ba ini oban riluk biang ki bil. Tiga basunat long mentah kidon ki bil ha gubernur laisau kali tang bangin ang aplikasi gubernur. Ka meeting tu basutan.
Minister in charge of